Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn on a steam on a DeLonghi Dinamica coffee maker. To use a steam nozzle, you need to press this button, wait a couple seconds until the coffee maker is heated on. And now you can just turn this switch to the steam position, and this is how you turn on a steam on a DeLonghi Dinamica coffee maker. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.